Hi there, my name is Rob Straby, and I'm a professor in the Career Development Professional Program at Conestoga College. So the Career Development Professional Program trains people to be employment counselors, employment advisors, job developers, career advisors. So this includes things like how to do effective interviewing, how to guide a person so that you can help them to figure out what career they want to pursue in life, or how to help a person find the right job for them. We cover all of this type of material in detail within this program. One of the unique things about our program is that we were delivering online education before the COVID pandemic began. So we have a very well designed teaching and learning system to help guide you through your entire learning process. Whether you do it remotely or whether you are on campus, you will get the same learning outcomes. The way it happens is at the beginning of each week, you'll have some readings and some short videos to watch. Then we'll get together and have a live class where we'll be reviewing that learning and developing our skills. And there's also lots of time for question and answer to ensure everyone understands the material. Then the students get together and they practice the skills with each other. And after they've finished practicing, they share their experiences back with me. And then I use that information to set the next week's agenda. And there'll be more readings and videos, another live class and practice sessions. And we go through that cycle through the term. And what happens is that we construct the skills one on top of the other. So by the end of the term, you have learned a whole set of skills that you couldn't imagine would be possible, all through remote learning. And so just like in this program where you would learn through remote learning, you're also going to build up the skill to help clients in the workplace. So in your future job, you will need to be doing the work just the way we're learning inside the program. What you do here will count out there.